Hello, my name is still Rustam, and this is still our team that decided to conduct a second experiment. And this is going to be an experiment about an electromagnetic field. Well, we decided to perform this experiment in order to prove that if we have a coiled wire which carries some current, an electromagnetic field is going to be created around the wire. And well, for this experiment, we need first a nail, second an insulated copper wire. We need and the wire has to be the insulation has to be cut on the edges of the wire, so it will connect to the battery. And of course, we also need a battery or some batteries that are going to act as sources or as a source of our electricity, of our current. And also needs a compasses in order to prove that there is some electromagnetic field around it, and in order for it to show where the North Pole and Southern poles are.
Oh, and we also forgot to mention that we also need some tape in order to stick the edges of the wire to the battery.
Okay, so in order to perform this experiment, we first need to wrap our wire, our insulated part of the wire, around the nail. And it is extremely important for the wrapped part to be insulated. And the non-insulated parts, which were cut before, are needed in order to be connected to the battery, which is going to act as a source of battery. Yeah, so first we wrap the wire around the nail, and we connect those edges of the wire to the batteries. And after some time, we feel that the battery is getting hotter and hotter, and this means that there is some current, some circuit is going through the system itself, through the wires and through the battery. And now, as we see that there is some current going there, you have to prove that the electromagnetic field around the wire is created. And we do that with the help of the compasses that show the direction of the northern pole of the magnet. First, in order to understand which edge of the nail is northern and which is southern pole, we have to use a right-hand rule, which is going to show us the direction of the North Pole and the direction of the current. And as we know that the current is going from the positive edge of the battery to the negative one, we can apply right-hand rule in order to understand which edge of the nail is going to act as a northern pole of the magnet, and which one is going to act as a southern pole. So as we understand, using the right-hand rule, we understand that the keen edge of the nail acts as a northern pole. We can use that. We can use that with the help of we can prove that with the help of the compasses that show us, as you can see from the video, that the keen part is the northern pole, because the green part of the arrow shows the northern pole of the nail. And of course, if you turn the nail itself, we can see that the southern pole is going to act as the southern pole of the magnet, since compasses show the completely different directions for this part.